In this video, we are going to see how we can keep the values but remove the formulas in the background. So here is the perfect example. Let me just show you again. Here we have some student roll number and we want to fill this data with some random numbers. So we do is equals to, right, rand between. This is the formula. Press tab to auto follow. The lower limit is 35 and the upper limit is 95. We want to generate any random number between that. Hit enter and drag it towards right, drag it downwards, and we have some random data generated. Now the data is generated. We just want to get rid of the formula in the background because it is reprocessing it every single time. So we just want to keep the values but remove the formula. So what we do is just copy all of this data, press Ctrl C and right click to paste, but this time we will paste special. So right click to paste special and click on values only. You will immediately notice that there's no formula in the background. How do we know it? As soon as you click on any single cell which contains a specific formula, you will notice that in the formula bar, you can see the formula in the background of it. Also, if you double click to open the cell, you will see a formula in the background that works to show this data. Now we copy this, right click to paste special and paste special as values only. Now when we click on any particular cell, we see a direct result of the data, and also when we select any cell in the formula bar, we also see a static value. So that's how you can remove the formulas but keep the values only in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.